Hello everyone. In this particular video, I'm going to explain on one of the learning material called warehouse lending. So this comes under like commercial lending or loans process, US loans related. So I'll just give you an overview about this PDF so that you'll get an idea how or what exactly is warehouse lending. So here in this particular PDF, so the meaning of warehouse lending is it's a well-established practice of depositing institutions providing various structured financial solutions, either line of credit or repurchase agreement to a non-depository independent banks IMB to facilitate home lending to individual borrowers. So I'm just repeating once again, it is a practice of depository institutions providing various structured financial solutions. It can be either repurchase agreement or line of credit to a non-depository independent mortgage banks. So how does this warehouse lending work? There are two principal warehouse lending facility arrangements, and while each is structured differently, okay, so they both perform the same basic functions to provide a short-term funding to IMB, which is independent mortgage bank, to originate mortgage and repay the warehouse advance when the loan is sold. And MRA means master repurchase agreement. So MRA is commonly called as repo, and a warehouse line of credit is a traditional revolving line of credit that use the mortgage notes originated by the IMB, which is independent mortgage banks. Then how does the step in warehouse program work? So each and every step is clearly explained here, and here in the next page, if you're able to see, is warehouse lending an expensive source of fund? Warehouse banks typically charge a small funding fee to their IMB clients on each loan and also collect interest for the short dwell time between origination and sale of the loan to an investor. And later part is warehouse lending a safe line of business. On a typical mortgage warehouse transaction, the warehouse bank has five sources of repayment. So the primary source is the investor to whom the originator has committed to sell the loan. And in the rare event that the transaction fails, the next source of repayment is originator itself who would repurchase the loan of warehouse line. So unless and until if you are part of this warehouse lending team, you will be able to know the end to end. But just giving you an overview about what exactly is this department all about, because many would have heard about commercial lending or commercial banking, or it can be wholesale lending services. So this is one type of which is warehouse lending. So there is one of the MNC company which is having this particular department. So in case if you need this PDF, do let me know. If you are from this warehouse lending department, or if not, you are from the lending department in US mortgage or loans department, definitely it would benefit you in order to understand the logic behind it. And I want to continue with one more information related to top consultancies in Bangalore. Let me also cover that. So if you're able to see here, I have made one information on top consultancies in Bangalore, which can be trustworthy. And many people think like consultancies are fake or they charge money with candidates. Nothing like that. There are many genuine consultancies in cities, especially Bangalore. So in that, one is Inspiration Manpower, which is in Jayanagar 5th block and Sadashiv Nagar branch. So they are tied up with many processes, like it can be tourism related, or it can be US healthcare, or it can be related to UK telecom process, or there are there might be some other companies as well, but I'm just giving you an overview. So these kind of MNC companies are tied up, if and even you can go and attend a walk-in interview also directly without checking, because it's better to visit rather than contacting the HR, and it might be a delay. And this consultancy provider, which is now not there in Koramangala, so it is closed right now. And I got to know that there is only remote hiring, but not 100% sure. But this consultancy was very good, and many people were visiting before 2019 year. And next is IKEA. Even this also was located before in Koramangala near Forum Mall, but it is closed and the complete building is uh, been destroyed, and it is not located near the Trahija Arcade. But I got an update that they are in Ejipura near that Koramangala Sony World, but I'm not 100% sure. If anyone is aware, do let me know or do let us know. And we also have Quest Corp, or this Quest IT staffing as well. And next recruitment firm is Hucon Solution, which is also was located near Kormangla Forum, but not exactly sure. I'd been here like 5 years back, directly in this Yukon, but I'm not sure now whether are they still. And they have one more branch in Andhra, Andhra Hyderabad as well. And Rivara Manpower also, I don't think so whether it might be there. Before they had a branch in Indranagar and BTM layout near Water Tank, but this is also I'm not sure. And this recruitment firm Oakleaf, it's located even now near Queens Road, near the Indian Express. So they are tied up with one of the client related to, I believe it's technical support process, maybe voice, I believe. So I'm not sure any other clients that they are tied up with. So it's just walkable distance from Indian Express. And next, 1 degree north, they had office in MG Road before, but now it is completely closed and remote hiring is there. And I got to know just 6 months or 4 months back. And next is Black White Consultancy, Black White Business Solutions. So they are located in Indranagar near CMH Hospital. So they are tied up with US insurance process and a few other clients which they have. And next is Manpower Group. They were located before in Richmond Circle, but now I'm not sure whether do they have any openings or how. So if anyone is on the way towards Richmond Circle, they can check if they are located near that flyover, uh, or you can try to search it in Google. Next is Ignites Human Capital. So they are closed in near Garuda Mall, MG Road. But I got to know like they are in Jayanagar 5th block, but not 100% sure where they are actually. They were also tied up with certain clients. And next, Yflex Humans Capital Solution. So now they are being in Commonly Main Road. Before it was in Hoodie. So they were tied up with this US healthcare process for one of the companies. I can even tell the company name, but I just don't want to reveal it. So just that's why I'm telling you the company name. Sorry, the department. And next is ALP Consulting Recruitment Firm. So here walk-in is not allowed, but they have this IT recruitment and non-IT recruitment, which is into banking. They were having like 5 years back for one of the MNC company located in Marathali Ring Road for loans and commercial banking for freshers. But now I'm not sure like who is the handling, because previously a HR by name Aishwarya Vinola was handling it. Later I'm not sure. Later she is not working now. So if anyone come across any update on ALP Consulting, if they are hiring for banking domain, do let me know. I would be happy to know about those people. And this Bangalore software, they were tied up with ANZ contractual payroll, but this recruitment firm is also closed in Sadashiv Nagar. And maybe so post COVID lockdown, most of the consultancies are closed without no business. And Trigen Software, so they are like hiring for under their payroll, contractual payroll, with U- UK Telecom and few other voice process, but not sure if they have any non-voice. So if anyone is going towards Racecourse Road, they can visit this particular Trigent as a walk-in. So if there are any openings, they might even assist. Next is Wenger and Watson. So they are located in Museum Road, but I'm not 100% sure like whether they are still there, or and they are mostly famous for IT recruitment. Not sure if they are tied up with non-IT or banking and finance. And next, Live Connection. So they are majorly tied up with commercial banking or loan processing department for one of the company in Marathali, for non-voice or voice and everything. And they have even IT hiring as well. Next is Job Shop. So, and Live Connection, I'm not sure where the office is located. So if you want, you can check. But they have branch in Hyderabad as well. And Job Shop, they are located in Pulikeshi Nagar near Cleveland Town. I think it comes near Coxtown, I believe. So it's in Mosque Road. And one of the person, and here also they are tied up with one of the company which is into uh, content review process or something like uh, voice and chat or non-voice process. Job Shop. And NJ Technologies, so they are located in Koramangala 4th block, 80 feet road. If anyone is aware about this if you, in case if you're traveling in 4th block Koramangala, do visit this recruitment firm. And next is Phoenix Info Technologies. So they are located near Koramangala Kalyana Mantapa bus stop. So from Kalyana Mantapa, it's like hardly half a kilometer walkable distance, or hardly 5 minutes walkable distance. So these are the recruitment firms in Bangalore, which they are like located in Bangalore. So in case if you know any other further details on this recruitment firm, do comment on this video so that it can help some other people. And I have clearly mentioned this post, and previously I had made a video on this top 10 or top 15 consultancies, but the video clarity was not clear. So I'm just making one more video of it so that it will be clearly visible. And if anyone is looking for a change and if you're not getting calls, don't worry. You can visit any of the consultancies which is in these areas so that you will get to know if there are any hiring going on, and no need to call, or you can directly visit, not a problem. If you have a copy of the resume, you can directly visit it. And if you have any updates, comment on this video so that I will also get to know what kind of hiring, or do ping me in LinkedIn so that I can get a feedback if you are currently located in Bangalore. Thanks for watching this video. I will just come with another content in the coming days, and do support as usual, like how you generally support it. Thank you all for watching this video.